What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. I hope everyone's doing well. And we're on the 6th song in this album. We got Songbird. Thank you guys for the amazing continued support as always. Truly means a lot. Make sure to like, subscribe if you're new. On the road to 20K. You already know what it is. And yeah, I'm excited for this one. I'm especially excited for the next one, The Chain, we'll do tomorrow. I've seen a lot of comments for that. You guys are like, you're gonna love this song. So I'm gonna wait out till tomorrow and react to it. But I'm still excited for this one, Songbird. It's 3 minutes, 20 seconds. And yeah, okay. Let's get it. Fleetwood Mac. Rumors, Songbird. Some piano.
For you, there'll be no more crying.
Yeah.
For you, the sun will be shining.
Yeah.
And I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's right.
It's so pretty.
To you, I'll give the world. To you, I'll never be cold. 'Cause I feel that when I'm with you, it's alright. I know it's right. And the songbirds are singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before.
Getting goosebumps. Literally getting goosebumps.
And I wish you all the love in the world. But most of all, I wish it from myself. And the songbirds keep singing like they know the score. And I love you, I love you, I love you like never before.
It's so pretty.
Like never before. Like never before.
Oh my gosh. I was not expecting that in the song. I don't know. Yo. That was like a different kind of pretty. It was very, I mean, it had the piano, had the vocals, and that was it, basically. Whoa. That was beautiful. Something about that. I didn't even want to pause it. I just wanted to, like, really just close my eyes and get into that moment. But, yo, that almost makes me want to play that on piano. If you guys don't know, I've played piano for like 7 or 8 years. So yeah, I know a few things about piano. So I don't know, that'd be interesting and get some sheet music for that song and try playing it, and then maybe get, I don't know. I can't sing to save my life, but maybe some, I don't know. That'd be interesting to mess around with playing. But yo, That was beautiful. Yeah, throughout, I mean, I had goosebumps. I forget, there's one part where I mentioned I got goosebumps, but like all my arms, my legs. Oh. All of these songs have been amazing on this album, but this one, it was different. It was different than the rest, and it's sort of different in some ways, so it's hard to categorize them against the rest, but yeah, it was beautiful. It was beautiful. You can't argue that. Hey. Okay, well that's it for the video, guys. Tomorrow we have The Chain, the song you guys have been waiting for. I've been waiting for. Everyone's been waiting for, so I'm excited to hop into it. But yeah, okay, like, subscribe, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.